24 hours to get a burger. Honestly, have a look at what we're about to eat. I've had this before and it's awesome. Burger.
Working now or you still on?
I'm on, yeah, my phone's working for the eating.
So good.
That's pretty good.
We were here a year ago.
And this was
our favourite burger.
Favourite burger.
I love it, y'all. We're just like, gotta go back for it.
We've flown for 24 hours to come and get a burger. Right. So it's pretty cool.
I bet you guys enjoy it.
Cheers.
It's so good.
It's so good. Yeah. Without a doubt. Come to the Garland, sit outside in the garden, have a burger. Alright, we had a big to eat, a bev, and now it's off to the room. We're going to go past the pool, so no peeking. The pool's nice, it's busy. Oh, look at that. Changed the light, didn't it? Hold it this way so you can see, and there's a pool area coming along. It's a good pool. I've not been in it, but we'll just get my arm out of the way. There we go. So, pool area. I'm guessing we're going to the same building we were in last time. So if you're really good and you behave yourselves, you can actually get to see squirrels at night time running around in the bushes here. It's an excellent place to come and stay. If you're coming down to go to Universal Studios, they've got a trolley, but it's a bus that takes us up the stairs upstairs, drives us up the road so that we can go to Universal. Right, here we go. Need our security key to get in. It's funny, last time there was 6 of us and we only just fitted. Now there's 4 and we only just fit.
You're a fat fuck, Steve.
The old retro look, the old corridor. Okay, back at the Garland, another year. Slightly different room. This room doesn't have 2 beds, it just has a king size bed. Nice. And then you get your TV, some cupboards, some drawers. Not sure if there's anything good in these drawers. Might be all empty by the looks. Well, you can never have enough storage. Get nice workspace for working. Another workspace, couch. And then outside, get balcony view. Looks onto the freeway in the background, but then down the bottom there's where all the water runs through. I'm sure they call it something fancy. Anything exciting? Not really. You get USB charging if you need it. We bring our own. It's much easier. And then get a nice mirror. Don't need to see me in the mirror. The robe this time's not the same. This robe does not have pictures on the wall. Doesn't have a light to light it up. You get a torch and you get a safe if you want. And the bathroom, again, bathroom, mirror, standard vanity, toilet, who cares, shower. The shower, just like the other room, has the hole where you can stick your arm through to turn the water on before you hop on in. And then what's the shower head like? The shower head in this bathroom, it's only little. It's fancy but little, so. And then, do we get a hairdryer? I think at the back, yep, hairdryer, which I need. One of those mirrors that makes my face look even bigger and fatter. And then we get the coffee machine. I gave that a go. It's American coffee. And then we get a drinks fridge with a glass door with a light at night time, so the room will be nice and bright during the night. But yeah, it's actually quite a big room, and it's tiled as well, so that's okay. Now, the most important thing that I've been doing in all my videos is the bed test. What is the bed like? Ready? That's alright, nice and soft. That's really good, that one. I like it. And pillows. Ooh. The pillows are nice and soft, but I think they've had their day because they're not bouncing back, so. But that's alright, maybe the other pillow's a bit better. Anyway, that's my version of a room tour. pool's got lots of people in it this morning. When it's warm here at the evening, the pool is very busy, as well as the bar. And then during the day, everyone sneaks around this side and gets themselves a Garland Burger. And it's just as busy. You really do sometimes struggle to get yourself a table. Okay, the pool area in the morning. Thought I'd do this before it was full of people. You've got like banana lounges, and you've got normal tables and chairs, and then there's like bed lounges as well, which is really kind of cool. The Fireplace, they do use that. I've been here when the Fireplace is working. At night time they put movies on the great big projector screen, which is pretty cool. You got the spa, and there's actually two of them. And then behind this spa is some reserved tables and chairs. They actually get booked out, so it's pretty popular. I mean, if there's a group of you, this isn't a bad spot to book. And the trolley. I call it a bus. But for whatever reason, they call this a trolley. Now we've got the store. It's full of gifts and even a couple of drinks. Non-alcoholic, but still drinks that you could buy. Not really anything in here that I wanted. This is where you would come if you want to have the buffet breakfast. You can also choose your own breakfasts. So you can come in here for breakfast. You can also come in here in the evening for the bar. The bar at night time wasn't super great. Considering they like to get tips, I would kind of think we may have come on a bad day. This is where you get your buffet breakfast. They had a fairly good selection of stuff. It wasn't too bad. You get your cereals. They had your typical hot foods. It's American style, so you know, if you're an Aussie, it's not really different, but it is a little bit different, some of the stuff. And they got the gym. Got plenty of equipment in here. This was the only time I came in here during the whole stay. I didn't use any of the equipment, but I did come in here at least and have a look. It's not bad. I mean, it's pretty good equipment, but I didn't use any of it. And for those that you want to know, yep, they do have a laundry at the Garland. You even get free soap. Garland at night time. Still looking as good as it used to.